Hi everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and we do a lot of cooking around here. Today I'm going to be using Parmedu kitchenware. Okay, these bowls have a lot of features. Alright, it has your measurements on the inside in quarts and liters. It has this silicone no-stick bottom, and it has a burp lid. Swedish dishcloths are durable. This is a wonderful mat. It's made out of silicone. It won't slip. It has all your measurements in inches and metrics. And if you do any baking at all and you need pie measurements, or it tells you to do so many inches, it's all right here. It is absolutely perfect. It has a measurement table on the left-hand side, and it comes with a pastry knife. And I have my Parmedu rolling pin, all wood, and look at that spin. Easy peasy. And I love this Dutch oven. Parmedu blue and heavy duty too. Beautiful inside and out. 5.3 quarts, and they also have a 2.5 quart too. This is awesome. I am very, very happy with my Parmedu kitchenware. Cannot go wrong.